Indian National Congress General Secretary Randeep Singh Surjewala slammed centre by saying that Home Minister Amit Shah is during tractor rally by farmer, where Congress also demanded Shah's resignation.
Unfolded over last 24 hours. A concerted conspiracy aided and abetted by Modi government took place to malign the entire farmers movement. A set of people with premeditated motive of violence who have nothing to do with the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha. They were permitted to enter the premises, the sanctum sanctorum of the Red Fort, the pride of India, climb onto its columns and put a flag there. This is sacrilege. This is unacceptable. And those who did it, Deep Sidhu and gang, they have been seen in the past cohabiting with Prime Minister of India and Home Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi and Shri Amit Shah, ample evidence of which is available now in public domain. Instead of arresting them there and then, they were permitted to go back. Now the conspiracy has unfolded completely as Delhi police, which was a mute spectator, as 400 or 500 or 600 people entered the Red Fort and occupied its large portions, with Delhi police taking no action whatsoever. Delhi police, instead of booking those people, arresting those people, is actually registering false cases against the leaders of the joint Sanyukt Kisan Morcha. It's a huge, colossal security lapse and intelligence failure on part of none less than the Home Minister of India, Shri Amit Shah. Shri Amit Shah must be sacked without delay. This is the second time in less than a year that under Shri Amit Shah's leadership, Delhi has been, national capital of Delhi has been pushed to the brink of unabated, unchecked, uncontrolled violence. Did Shri Amit Shah and intelligence agency not know about the open declaration over last 24 to 48 hours by these violent and anti-social elements who segregated themselves from the farmers and expressed their desire that they are going to go up to the Red Fort? What was Shri Amit Shah doing? Was he sleeping? What were the intelligence agencies doing? Were they sleeping? How can police remain mute spectator as 500 to 700 people occupy the Red Fort? Can such a home minister, who is the weakest home minister in the history of India in last 73 years, be permitted to stay in office even for a single day? Shri Amit Shah must be sacked. And if Prime Minister does not sack him, it will be apparent that Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi is a part of this concerted conspiracy to malign the farmers' movement. And lastly, I will like to say before taking further question, the policy from day one of Modi government and BJP has been very, very clear. For 63 days now, a few lakh farmers have been sitting on Delhi's borders, on national capital's borders in a peaceful fashion. Modi government tear gassed them. In brutal cold, Modi government water cannoned them. Modi government lathi charged them. But they did not lose patience. they continued their peaceful satyagrah. So Modi government adopted fourfold policy. The first policy was प्रताड़ित करो और परास्त करो. Hit them, torment them and defeat them. When they failed in their lathi charge and brutal behavior, and then despite 174 odd farmers dying, they went to their policy number 2. They held as many as 10 fruitless discussions over a period of 63 days. Meeting. Hold meetings and tire them out. Tire them out and push them out. That was the second policy. When that policy also failed,